everyone, my name is Amy Kun, Sharon Rose Master of Atomy, Canada. This is my Jenny. Hello everyone, my name is Amy Kun, Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Canada. I have two kids, one boy, one girl. I immigrated to Canada more than 35 years ago. My first job in Canada was Toronto Volunteer Center to help newcomers from Asia to get a job. Through this job, I get to know so many people and community in Toronto. After this job, I become a housewife to take care of my kids. When my daughter grew, I started to do volunteer work in senior house. As for my hobby, I love singing and it is my motivation. That's why I need to keep my health and my beauty. I usually start my day by reviewing the Atomy 8 core success habits. This habit helps me stay disciplined and focus on what really matters. Every morning, I organize my priorities, check in with my team, and make sure I'm ready to support our member and customer with a positive mindset. Starting the day this way reminds me that success in Atomy is built through consistent, small action every day. One of the most memorable moments in my Atomy journey happened this February, when 3 members of my team achieved sales master at the same time. Watching them grow, overcome challenge, and finally reach the milestone was incredibly meaningful to me. I felt so proud of them because I saw their passion, dedication, and belief in the business. That moment reminded me that Atomy is not just about individual success. It is about growing together and lifting each other up as a team. Something that many people may not know about me is that I really enjoy Chinese opera and symphony orchestra music. This form of music brings me peace and inspiration. They help me relax and recharge, especially after a busy working day. Interestingly, many of my friends don't know about this hobby of mine, but it is something I truly appreciate. What gives me the strength to continue with Atomy is my strong belief in both the products and the company philosophy. Atomy principle of absolute quality and absolute price truly benefit consumers. At the same time, the company vision of becoming a 100-year company and creating opportunities for the ordinary people inspire me deeply. Knowing that we are building something meaningful for the long term gives me the motivation to keep going. If I could choose only one product, my favorite would be Atomy toothbrush. I have been using it consistently, and every time I go for a dental cleanser, my dental hygienist is surprised why and by how clean my teeth are. She often asks me what toothbrush I am using. It is a very simple product, but it shows how Atomy focuses on high quality, even everyday items. And that's something I really appreciate. For me, success in Atomy is not only about personal achievement. My true success is when I can help my partners grow, build confidence, and achieve their own goal through this platform. When I see my team members succeed and improve their life and give me the greatest sense of fulfillment. To me, success means growing together and share the journey with others. My perfect day is spending time with my family, especially my grandchildren. I cherish every moment with them because time with family is very precious. Being able to accompany them, watching them grow, and share joyful moments together means a lot to me. For me, those simple moments with family are truly the greatest gift in life. This year, my goal is to continue to develop strong leaders within our team. I hope to help more of our sales master achieve Diamond Master and support our Diamond Master in moving forward to Sun Rose Master. At the same time, I'm also preparing myself for the next challenge, working toward Star Master in 2026. And I believe leadership development is the key to long-term success in Atomy. For people who are just starting Atomy, I usually share 5 simple tips. First, become a true product lover. Use the product consistently and share your real experience. And second, attend center meeting and company event to keep learning. And third, invite guests to meeting, either in person or online. And 4, encourage teammates to join show and tell activities to learn more about the products. And finally, understand and share Atomy vision, culture, and principle, because belief in the company is the key to long-term success. To me, Atomy is eternity. It is not just a business, but a lifelong journey of growth, sharing and building meaningful success together with many partners around the world. I truly believe we are building something that will last for generations.